Welcome back to AutoDriveverse, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into the future with the 2026 Lamborghini Lanzador, Lamborghini's first ever fully electric Grand Tourer. This 2+2 concept-turned-production car blends the brand's unmistakable sharp lines with a futuristic GT design and an SUV-like stance. It's sculpted for both elegance and aerodynamics, with signature Y-shaped DRLs, wide fenders, and a body that screams performance. As Lamborghini steps boldly into the EV realm, the Lanzador isn't just an experiment, it's a statement. A symbol that the raging bull isn't backing down, even when it goes silent. So buckle up, this electric beast deserves your full attention. Step inside the Lanzador, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a spaceship than a traditional Grand Tourer. Lamborghini has embraced sustainability without sacrificing luxury, using high-end recycled materials, synthetic leathers, and innovative carbon composites throughout. The dashboard is fully digital with an immersive wraparound screen that responds to voice, touch, and even gesture controls. A yoke-style steering wheel reinforces the futuristic feel, while the smart ambient lighting adapts to your mood and driving mode. Rear seats, though not limo-sized, are surprisingly spacious for a 2+2 GT, offering practicality alongside performance. Lamborghini's attention to detail, from the hexagonal air vents to the customizable AR heads-up display, ensures the Lanzador's interior is every bit as dramatic as its exterior. Now let's talk power, because the Lanzador isn't just an eco-friendly cruiser. It packs dual electric motors, one on each axle, that generate a combined 1,341 horsepower, that's over 1 megawatt of electric force. Thanks to active torque vectoring and all-wheel drive, it delivers exceptional grip and handling across any terrain. Lamborghini claims the Lanzador rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, putting it right up there with the fastest EVs in the world. With a projected range of around 300 miles, this isn't just about raw power, it's also practical for long hauls. And thanks to ultra-fast charging tech, downtime is minimal. Silent though it may be, the Lanzador performs like a true Lambo, brutally quick, effortlessly agile, and endlessly thrilling. On the road, the Lanzador feels like a beast tamed by technology. Its adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts to the road surface, offering supreme comfort during cruising and taut stiffness during cornering. With a low center of gravity and near-perfect weight distribution, handling is razor-sharp. The Lanzador offers multiple drive modes, from energy-saving daily commutes to aggressive performance settings for those spirited weekend drives. Even the aerodynamic elements adjust on the fly, ensuring optimal stability whether you're slicing through mountain roads or cruising the Autobahn. Despite its ferocity, it remains surprisingly refined, quiet, composed, and strikingly responsive. It's a supercar for the new era, and every mile reinforces its place in Lamborghini's evolving legacy. So, what's the final word on the 2026 Lamborghini Lanzador? It's not just a new model, it's a milestone. Lamborghini has managed to go fully electric while retaining its signature spirit of speed, drama, and innovation. From the groundbreaking design to the monstrous power output and high-tech cabin, the Lanzador is a true trailblazer. While purists might miss the growl of a naturally aspirated V12, there's no denying that this EV delivers the same adrenaline rush, just in a quieter, smarter package. If this is the future of Lamborghini, count us all in. That wraps up today's review. Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoDriveverse, where the future of driving lives.